Hey, what up guys, how's it going? I got something kind of cool. Well, 3 cool new things. I have 3 new cameras here by Swann. I have their new outdoor wireless security camera, their indoor security camera, as well as their their floodlight security camera system. Now, since all of these are unique, all 3 of these are super cool, they deserve their own video. So I'm gonna make 3 separate videos. So this video that you're watching right now, I'm going to talk about one of these, and then in the description below you'll go ahead and see links for the other 2. So anyways, let's get into one of these. I have Swann's latest and greatest indoor security camera. Now this camera has Wi-Fi, you connect it to a power source so it's easy to plug in, no problems there. Full 1080p, you see everything in crisp HD. It has 2-way audio, so not only can you speak to whomever, you can also hear what's going on as well. It's got free local and cloud recording, and you can view and get alerts on your smartphone via the Safe by Swann app. Now let's not forget, this also has True Detect, which I absolutely love, which it helps minimize false alarms. Let's say there's a cat, or let's say there's a tree branch or anything like that. You won't have to worry, it won't get set off by the motion detection here, because True Detect is looking for a heat signature, a body, a person. So when you get an alert, it's something that'll be significant to you, and you won't have to worry about false alarms. Now that's one thing I really like about Swann. They don't charge you to view your own cameras. If you go with other companies, you set the camera up in your house, you sync it to your Wi-Fi, and then now you have to pay to view your own house, which is absolutely silly to me. So that's why I'm a big Swann guy. All right, so I'm gonna stop talking. I'll bring the camera in, we'll unbox it, see all the goodies, set it up with the Safe by Swann app, and yeah, we'll do a little bit of testing in the house so you can see what the footage looks like. All right guys, laters. Okay, this is Swann's indoor security camera. And let's go ahead and open it up. Warranty information and quick start guide. Also, there's going to be some decals you could put on your windows to deter any thieves. Oh, isn't that cute? Okay, so you got this and this. And they give you some screws and anchors in case you want to mount this somewhere. But yeah, let's just look really quick so you can see. This looks like out here. Sometimes less is more, right? That's all you need. Like, boom, that power supply, which looks like a micro USB. And then those, and then on the back here you have a speaker, and the micro USB goes up in there. Then you can mount it on the wall there if you want. And yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this somewhere in my house, and then we'll see what it looks like. We'll see what it looks like with the lights on, and then we'll see what it looks like in complete darkness. All right guys, okay, so after I went ahead and connected to the camera, then I put in my Wi-Fi password. So that's why I edited that out. I didn't want you to see that. And I named it Spare. I have it in another room in my house where it's completely dark. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and connect to it right now. And there it is. I'll put this in landscape so you can see it here. And we're good to go. If you want to capture a picture, let's say you see something, you go ahead and hit the capture button right there. Where it says captured in the upper left, you're good to go. You could also hit record, and it'll start to record in 20-second clips. Then you press stop. And then now it's saving to Swann's cloud system, but don't worry, if you hit activity, you can go and see all the activity, and then go there to the video, and then download the video directly to your phone in case you need it. Pretty cool, right? Right. So once this pops back up here, you could also talk if you hit the talk button there. You could talk as well as you could hear. I don't know if you noticed, but we can hear right now. And then I'm just gonna upload some direct footage so you can see exactly what it looks like instead of the camera showing my phone. I'll go ahead and throw that in right now. Here's audio from Alexa telling a story in my office to the wireless camera here in the bedroom.
Placed it in a small container and added a few drops of water. She carefully placed the container in a refrigerator to simulate the cold temperatures a seed would experience during germination. Week after week, she inspected the seed for any signs of a sprout.
You can hear, and it's pretty loud.
The captain almost gave up hope, but then it happened.
Okay, so that's it. It's all ready to go. And don't forget, that's one thing great about Swann is there are 0 fees. You pay absolutely nothing. So yeah, don't forget to look in the description below if you want to buy it. And there's also some other cameras that I recently got and unboxed and set up from Swann, and you can check out those as well. All right, guys, laters.